Hello guys, I want to show you my mini Uzi. I painted it black, so I think that's a good colour. I've made the mag gold and just taped it there. Put this bit in there, this little handle bit all goes up and down like that, as you can see. You got the bullet, like a Z screw with tape around from the last video if you don't watched it. You've got the sight, just like that. You can see the sight right. Just see, and pull this back, that looks good. Look, the hole there, you can see it comes out. And I've added a silencer for this gun, just to make it look real. So. You know what I mean? So if we put this bullet through this hole, like that, I want it to fall out, so I'll tilt it back, and then we will demonstrate. So let's try. That's a very fast bullet what comes out of there. And it has one of these pulleys with a mag, so I think that's decent. So comment, subscribe guys, and I'll still bring more videos. I'm still making guns at the minute, and I've got a shotgun on the way. So thanks guys, peace out.